Yo, what's going on, guys? Ceiling Fans Oklahoma back to a video, and today what we got here is a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan. So this fan I got off Facebook Marketplace, and this is going to be a commentary video of this fan. I absolutely love this thing. So this is the best fan I got in my collection. This is the 8th fan I've collected. So, and I got 9 fans right now, and this is my 8th one. So, just want to let you guys know. And this fan cost $25 when I got it off Marketplace. And I installed it in here in my bedroom because I always wanted to have a Hunter original in my bedroom. So, and yeah, that's what I got. And I finally am happy I got one. So yeah. It has a schoolhouse light kit. And the mounting came from not the whole mounting. I'm talking about like the canopy and the down rod. That came from my Moss Heirloom, which is my 9th fan. I'm going to be recording that eventually. It's on a double claw mount, yes. But I do not have the Hunter Originals canopy for it, so I can't put it up on the canopy, and I don't have a 2-piece canopy for it, so, which is sad news. So yeah, but I'll get it eventually. But there's a light. It's a schoolhouse light kit, but it's not one of those regular size schoolhouse light kits. It's a larger size. The full chain, I replaced it because it broke at one point, so I replaced it. So yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on low. And I will be taking this fan down on April 25th because I'm putting the Huntington up here because my grandpa passed away on April 28th, and because April 28th is going to mark the 6th day of the 6th year that he passed away. So yeah, so I'm going to be filming the Huntington when I put it up, and then I'm not going to take it down until it's the last day of April, and I'm going to put this fan right back up. So I want to give you guys a heads up on that. Alright, so here we go with medium. It looks like an average high speed that's like today. Or it's like a lot of, like, it's like an average high speed, like on a 52-inch fan, period. So, like, this is an average high speed. But this is the medium speed on the Hunter, on my Hunter original, on the 2 amps. This is a 2 amp Hunter original. So, yeah. I'm going to go put it on high. Now I'm going to go show you guys the airflow. Here we are with the airflow right here. And yeah, that's the Hunter label right there. It's not labeled Hunter, like the original Hunter or something like that. So yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my camera back on the tripod. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and shut the fan off. Well, just shut the light off, not the fan yet. You can see this fan's running really great. So yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and shut the fan off. So yeah, that's all about, on this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.